Hey everyone, welcome to Syllabus Pro AI. In this video, I'll show you how to upload your syllabus and generate powerful AI-driven topic explanations. Step 1. Open Study Mode. After logging in, click on Study from the sidebar. This is where all the magic happens. Step 2. Fill in your details. Select your education level, whether you're in school, college, or preparing for competitive exams, then enter your subject name, like statistics or data structures. Next, indicate if the subject is related to math or numerical topics. Finally, enter the time you have left until your exams and select how many hours a day you can commit to studying. Step 3. Upload your syllabus. You have two options. You can either upload your syllabus document in any file format or paste the syllabus text directly. The AI will analyze the entire syllabus for you. Step 4. Get the analysis. Hit Analyze and the AI will break down your syllabus into units, topics, and key learning outcomes. It provides a complete syllabus overview and even generates a personalized study plan based exactly on the time you have left before your exams and your daily study hours. Step 5. Generate topic explanations. Now here's the best part. You can click on any topic or any unit, and the AI will generate a complete exam-ready explanation with definitions, intuition, key terms, step-by-step explanations, solved examples, common mistakes, and a quick revision summary. You can also type any topic manually if you want to study something specific that's not in your syllabus. Bonus, your generated content can be saved to notes so you can revise it anytime. That's it. Start studying smarter with Syllabus Pro AI. See you in the next video.